Oh my god, this looks amazing. This is the first time I use this GoPro. It's only a second walking video I'm going to do with this GoPro. It's the first time I see it in the sunlight like this. Wow. The wide angle. Look how beautiful everything is. Oh my lord, I feel like Google Maps or something. There's Fire Station 76. I was going to stick around, but even in the bus shelter, it's really cold today. It's really cold today. I mean, a couple hours ago I was at home and I saw Environment Canada forecast. It said like it was like already at that time it was like -12 still, I think, and it said a high of today of -1. I think they are high. I don't know what the hell they're talking about. What do you mean -1? It's almost 4 o'clock. It's probably still -9 or something. It's terrible. Yes, we are on Cote St. Luc Road, which is, of course, is a road. I'm sure it used to be a road at one time, but obviously you can tell by all the apartment buildings it became an apartment. Hey, look, there's Ben's car. That's funny. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna try this baby out again. So you probably saw, those of you my diehard fans there, thank you very much. My god, the color in this is amazing. The thing is that I did a little test video in my apartment showing my artwork. Oh boy, that's gonna cost you, eh? Ooh. And it went out fine, but when I did a 4K video on Sherbrooke Street East in Pointe aux Trembles yesterday, that was a bad idea, because not only was I not able to transfer that video into my computer because it's old, it's like 11 years old, wouldn't play the videos, the clips, there's 2 clips. Even when I transferred it to my phone, I got the app and everything, it played all choppy. So I was like, well, King Edward. So I need to zoom in a bit though, eh? How the hell would it? So anyway, yeah, and also the battery was an issue too, because when after like 10 minutes of filming, and I filmed a couple of 2-3 other minutes in that, there was god, I'm starting to think, yeah, it was like the battery was dead. So I charged it all the way, but then I looked this morning and I like this again, this GoPro was given to me by a friend of mine from high school who totally loves my videos, and he hardly used it, but I don't know why, but the battery is like, so more than 3 years old, almost 3 years old already. So I already ordered a couple of batteries, even though I can't afford it, you know, put it on the credit card, whatever. The battery seems to be holding up fine, even though it says in the instruction not to use in extreme temperatures, like very cold, very hot. I don't know, I guess to some people this probably qualifies as extreme temperatures, since it's, like I said, probably still -10, -11 Celsius. You know, one of the things I've never mentioned, I think, that I love about this boulevard compared to most boulevards that are very straight lined, is this, it's all curvy everywhere. I wouldn't be surprised if it was an Italian urban planner who designed this boulevard. Oh, and by the way, that clover leaf you just saw, you see another one over here coming up on the left here? That is for the Montreal Irish, the Irish Society, the Irish. And look at the signs on that side there. You can see the Cote St. Luc side. That's on the NDG side, because there on that side is Notre Dame de Grâce, and on this side is Cote St. Luc, the town of Cote St. Luc. Yes. Hey, nice one of myself. I am a bit part Irish. Actually, more Français Québécois than Irish, but still, could be a good thumbnail. I love this camera. It's not only the quality, the transition, but even like, there's 2 cameras on both sides. It's amazing. It's amazing. And now I can just turn it around like this on my main viewfinder. Look at this old store right here, right? This old dip on there right here. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is the zoom is, I guess I better fix that. I don't know if I can. Uh-oh, gotta stop here.